Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So basically what we got on if we take a look at the daily time frame, is that market is building range here, and this can be a potential in the next period, potential for the nice triangle breakout. Now, I will watch for potential breakout on either up or downside. For the downside, I would like to see the breakout of the low, of the Friday's low at 146.55. And for the upside, at this stage, so far, based on the current condition, I would like to see the breakout of 148.42 mark. So now scenario is, the market will take to the downside and probably open the door for retest of 145.15 or maybe even 144 mark. If market will break to the upside, then potentially it can open the door for test and going into the spin bar territory around 151 and 151.80 mark. Speaking of the gold market, we can see that on a 30-minute time frame, market didn't have a power to hold a pullback, and market took the downside breakout of this trading range, which lasted for a couple of hours. So now the market is in a down break, and the previous area of consolidation happened at around 1652, 1650 mark. So intraday speaking, there is a chance for the market to continue towards the lower prices and eventually towards 1650 mark, which is basically this area of consolidation, 1652, 1650 mark. So watch for selling opportunities on intraday rallies. If we speak about the crude oil, we got an update on Friday, but today so far there was even gap down, market rallied and basically found some range here, and now there is a downside breakout. So again, the retest of this 90.50 can be in the play, and then eventually this may even lead to the lower prices like 90 mark, maybe even all the way to the previous day low at 86.40. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, market is selling off. The daily structure, there was a breakout on Friday, but so far market is on the supply as they control basically whole day, and market tried here to hold. It had like a bull divergence, but so far market took even lower prices. So we will need to see the evidence of any kind of, but so far the supply is really present. As I will say, the upside structure is still valid as long as we can hold above this 20,100, let's say 140 mark. So watch for potential intraday bull divergences, or maybe bull divergences on like 15-30 minute time frame, or some potential for the bigger rotation to the upside going into the US session. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe and speak to you tomorrow morning.